This is the new LUMIX G9 Mark II, a lightweight, feature-packed Micro Four Thirds beast. Boasting a 25.2 megapixel sensor, more megapixels means more flexibility when editing photos in the editing suite. Both the G9 and G9 Mark II both feature a high resolution setting. The new Mark II has the ability to shoot 100 megapixel images handheld. It also features dynamic range boost, which gives me a huge amount of room to move with the shadows and darker areas of my image. The G9II has 19 photo styles, which are especially handy when you need to create content on the go but still want a bit of character to your image. You can also upload your own real-time LUTs right into the body of the camera. The G9II can shoot 60 frames per second with the electronic shutter and has 8 stops of inbuilt stabilization. I can walk handheld and still keep a beautiful, stable shot. The G9II features phase hybrid autofocus, which is unbelievably sharp and accurate, and shoots 5.7K at 60 frames and 4K at 120 frames. These are just a fraction of the features that make the G9II an absolute weapon. For more information, check out the LUMIX website.
Panasonic.